Hey, it's Adisa. Boy, do I have a tremendous deal for you today on the FlexFold solar-powered security lights. These just might be the most useful lights you'll ever use at your home. That's because it's got 52 LEDs using the latest technology. Now, when it says FlexiFold, it's that because it's so flexible. The lights can fold and turn in all different ways, so you can really shine this in the area you want, making it great for security. Plus, it's got two ways of mounting. It comes with the hardware to mount on the wall, or you can use the included ground stakes, so you can use these all over your yard. Now, these are great for the driveway, pathways, the yard, anywhere you want to turn night into day, you're gonna love these. With two modes of operation, you can use this as a standard floodlight or a motion-activated light, which is great for security. To use it in floodlight mode, you simply turn the switch to on. For motion-activated light, you simply turn it to auto. Now, in the always-on mode, the motion detector will still work, making the light brighter when motion is detected. And what's great, in both modes, the light will only come on when it's dark. Now, this is the future of lighting. Using an extra large solar panel with advanced technology, this will absorb all the sun and stay on all night. Plus, that means no electrician or no outlets needed. This is a true multi-directional light. Not only do the panels adjust, the base can rotate a full 360 degrees. Plus, this light puts out a whopping 500 lumens of light. Similar lights like this can cost as much as $50, and they don't even include the ground stake option. Our super low price gets you multiples for less than $50. So count out how many you need and grab a bunch today.